It's California, summertime, and the living is easy, as the song says. And we're going to be making a very special salad. A salad to celebrate the wonders of this California agriculture, to celebrate family farmers who we are privileged to work with, to celebrate the incredible fertility of the alluvial soil of California's great Central Valley, once an inland sea, bordered on the west by the coastal mountain range, bordered on the east by the high Sierras. And the waters, the subterranean waters in the valley all originate in melting snows in the high Sierras. An extraordinary place, we're so privileged to be here indeed. So let's begin with organic California sweet corn. So early in the season and so magnificent. And so here we have our sweet corn. And what do we add to the sweet corn? But tomatoes, but of course, a wondrous combination, sweet corn and tomatoes. Combination I was raised upon. I spent all of my summers on my grandparents' farm on the Jersey Shore. And I'll never forget the glorious fruits and vegetables there. Privileged to be there indeed. So here we have our tomatoes. Okay. Okay. And now we have this beautiful summer squash grown by family farmers here that's just come onto the market. Look at these glorious, glorious fruits. Okay. And now let's grate this up. Let's give this a toss. And now let's grate some carrots. And how about some some beets for texture and for color, but of course well, here we have a glorious salad, if I may say so. The colors and textures are but ecstatic. And now for the dressing, we'll add spring water to our blender. And of course, we'll start with our alive organic almond butter made from almonds grown by California family farmers in the alluvial soil of the Great Central Valley. And then we're going to add some walnut butter. Walnuts grown by California family farmer. We're so privileged to support them. And finally, our milk of paradise, cashew macadamia butter, and California local honey, Vermont maple syrup, how about some Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt? And what about some California red grapes, organic of course, just harvested? And what about a lemon? So let's give this a blend. And now the great moment, we take the salad dressing and we toss this over the salad. So here you have it, a sweet corn, tomato, squash, carrot, beet salad with an almond, walnut, cashew butter, macadamia butter dressing. And now for ecstasy, let us add some chopped some avocado pieces. And what about some mango? So we say, support your family farmers and go forth, brothers and sisters. Those schoolyards can become edible schoolyards. Those public parks can become edible landscapes. Those overgrown backyard tracts in every city filled with garbage can become community gardens. Your front yard, an orchard of fruit trees, your backyard, a bio-intensive garden rich with vegetables, fruits, cucumbers, squash, watermelons, and so forth. It's all there. It's all there. It's for us to seize the opportunity and to go forward. My privilege to share. You might want to hit the subscribe button down below and even give us a like. Your comments and suggestions are treasured by us. Let us go forward. Thank you, brothers and sisters. I'm privileged indeed to share these concepts and ideas with you. Thank you.